Hello everyone, it's Lisa here, and I would like to talk to you today about our student portal. And this is a wonderful way to be in touch and know what's going on in the studio, to know what's going on in your account, classes, events, to register for new classes or workshops, to see your email communications, to see your evaluation progress reports and level recommendations. So to get into that, you're at the website, thedance-academy.com, and go to the student login, and you click on that, and then it'll bring you here, and you just click on it again. It'll bring you to a login page, which you'll click to that, and it'll bring you right to your portal. And the opening page are messages and upcoming events. Our student handbook is always located here. You were emailed a copy, but it's also located here in this link, everything about the Academy currently for this year. Your recent communications with emails from our system. If you go into your account, you'll see your account information, your credit card information. You can view your emails that were sent back and forth through our account. You can view your online registrations. You can change your password here. If you want to update it, that's fine, or your user ID. The next is your fees and payments. You can see your history here. So if there are any questions or concerns, and then update your contacts. So if you move, we highly appreciate and highly recommend you change that information here. Your students, so if you have 1 or 2 children or 3 children, they'll all be listed here if you need to add somebody, their name and information. And then under each student, you always have to save right there. Under each student, you'll see their current enrollment. You'll see future enrollment if something's coming up, event enrollment, and then their skills list. So this is where you're going to see you're under the notes here, the class, and then this will be notes on your progress reports in November and your level recommendations in the spring for summer and fall. If you want to know how many absences you need to make up, here you go. They're all right here so that you know that you can ask for your makeups. If you want to see the classes, here they are here. So the classes that they enrolled and future enrolled in. If you would like to enroll in another class, you're going to pick a session, which is up here on the left-hand side, and then you will be shown the whole schedule, or you can pick a day. If you want to just see what's happening on Monday, there you go. And then you click on that class, and then you'd say, yes, I want to enroll, and then you'd click and they'd be put in the class, and then we talk to you about making payments for that class. Events are the same thing. So you look at the event calendar, whatever's coming up. Currently there is nothing here, but you would click on the event and it would put you into that event, especially for our princess parties. Those are really exciting. And policy agreements. So when you're coming through, you always want to agree to the policies. You'd click on every check, and then it's an electronic signature. So when you're registering online, you can do this completely online, and you just say, I've read, and it'll just send it to us that you've gone through that. And that is pretty much everything that we use here to run your account. So if you have any questions, always feel free to contact me. I'm always happy to speak with you. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.